Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cities Skylines on iPhone. While there isn't a dedicated mobile version, you can enjoy the full PC experience through cloud gaming. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming and NVIDIA GeForce now stream the game directly to your device. This means you don't need a powerful phone, just a strong and consistent internet connection. It's a fantastic way to build your dream city on the go. To begin, subscribe to a cloud gaming service such as Xbox Game Pass Ultimate or NVIDIA GeForce Now. Next, download their official application from the App Store or use a supported web browser like Safari. After logging in, simply search for Cities Skylines within the services library. For the best experience, pair a Bluetooth controller, as touch controls can be challenging for this complex city builder. Another excellent method is remote play, using your own PC or console. For PC players, download the Steam Link app to stream Cities Skylines directly from your computer. If you own an Xbox or PlayStation, their respective remote play applications allow you to connect your iPhone. Remember, your main gaming device needs to be on and running the game, with a robust home network for smooth streaming. For the best possible experience, prioritize a fast and stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, with at least 20 megabits per second download speed. A physical Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation controller, will significantly improve your precision and enjoyment. Consider lowering some in-game graphics settings to ensure smoother streaming. While cloud gaming is impressive, minor input lag can occur, so a strong connection is key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.